Hello, friends. This is the story time. Once a hungry mouse found a small nut. He tried to eat it, but his teeny teeth could not cut into it. The angry mouse prayed to God. Oh God, why did you give me such teeny teeth? I have food, but I cannot eat. Then he heard God's voice. Dear mouse, go and look at the teeth of other animals. You will get the teeth you like. So the mouse went to the forest. He looked at the teeth of many animals, but he did not like their teeth at all. At last the mouse went to the elephant. He liked the long white tusk of elephant. The little mouse asked the elephant, "Are you happy with your long beautiful teeth?" The elephant replied, "These two long tusks are just for display. I can't use them to chew food." The mouse thanked God for giving him the teeny teeth. Thank you, God.